It looks like to me it's up because the inventories were down. Probably they're down less than people anticipated. However, it's still, because they didn't really adjust the full year revenue number, it's still looking like it's over 21 weeks forward supply.
Okay, we're also looking at some guidance for the full year where they are talking about now seeing an adjusted earnings per share of 14 to 19 cents. How does that match up with what you were anticipating?
Well, that's exactly what they had before. The one thing that they did do, however, was change they added another, the old restructuring charges were 110 to 130, and they just raised it to 190 to 210. So there's an additional, midpoint 95, there's an additional $80 million or $95 million in the midpoint, which is about 16 cents on our numbers that they added in restructuring. So, if it was apples to apples before, numbers would be negative for the year. But we have to find out what those restructuring are. And, we're concerned that they might be cutting key assets, which will, hurt them from a growth perspective in the future.
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. What do you think about this company? Where are you in terms of believing the restructuring at this point, believing the turnaround?
I just think they got a lot of work to do. I mean, the problem is they're moving a lot of goods through through down market channels. We put out a note the other day. We saw a sports bra that was $16.99 at TJ Maxx. The identical item was $20.99 at Kohl's, and then the few items that were left at Dick's were at regular price at $35, and they were at regular price on the Under Armour website. So it's very hard to do that. Plus, they were very, very aggressive on Amazon Prime Day, which again, it's hard to start selling full price, premium product when you're promoting a lot of stuff. So
right.
I just think it's going to take, if they're going to pull it off, it's going to take some time. I know the street seems to be expecting a major turnaround in 19. I think, if it happens, it's going to be a lot later than that. And I'm still expecting that full year guidance is going to have to come down, probably on the third quarter call.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.